Bitcoin is making itself ready for another massive move, and 99% of the Bitcoin traders are not going to be expecting this exact move. So this is going to be the time to be paying attention, because yesterday this massive Bitcoin signal was just flashed, and all of the time, whenever this signal flashed, it always has indicated a very good moment to buy. So we need to be talking about that exactly and much more in this update video. So make sure to push up that like button. Can we once again smash it back above the 100 likes? That would be absolutely amazing. And yes, I am still currently sitting in my Bitcoin long position, and I do think that we are going to be getting another push towards the upside, which I'm going to be explaining exactly in this video. But first of all, having a look into what's at short term, we are developing yet another ascending triangle. Of course, yesterday, or at least in the past week, we've also been developing this ascending triangle over here, which we have been breaking out towards the upside, leading in towards another ascending triangle right now. And yes, ascending triangles are usually bullish biased patterns, so once again, this is going to be a bullish biased pattern, and most likely it is going to be breaking out towards the upside. Now, of course, we can also definitely always break down towards the downside, but more likely it is going to be towards the upside. So yeah, if we are going to be seeing this break towards the upside, we do have a price target all the way up towards about the 67.8k level. So that could definitely be a very good trade you could be taking. Now, if we are going to be breaking towards the downside, in that case, we could be having a look and towards reaching this previous resistance and retest it back in towards support. Because yes, do keep in mind that in the short term, we have right here flipped our downtrend in towards an uptrend. So if we were to be seeing another kind of dump in the short term, well, we could just be making another higher low, and in that case bounce off and create new highs. Okay, retesting this previous resistance right now as support wouldn't be a very bad idea, and I think would be very bullish for the markets. But yes, in the end of the day, it is actually going to be more likely to see this break towards the upside. Now, having a further look, there are actually quite a few things which are pretty interesting in the market right now, and I'm going to be having a look into all of it. But first of all, we can perfectly be seeing that we have been bouncing off from this support level right here, and this was the level we needed to hold. This was the decision moment we've been talking about many times, and yes, we perfectly did get held by this support, which is looking very good, and because of that, we might be having a look in towards a larger consolidation and in towards a bull flag pattern right now on that like 2-day time frame. And actually during this consolidation, we are getting many indicators actually flashing bullish, cooling off, giving out bullish indications right now, which is looking very good. And because of that, I do think that we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside in the coming few months. So yes, this is going to be a larger time frame pattern. It is going to be playing out in the coming few months. Do be aware of that. We are not going to be breaking out tomorrow. For that, we need to be having a look into what's that shorter term, for example, this ascending triangle. But yes, for that larger time frame, it is starting to look very good with this bull flag pattern. Now, at the same time, we are getting a very huge signal, because yesterday we had the full moon signal, and normally I'm not really having a look into astrology and this stuff like this, but it's just been playing out so perfectly in the last couple of months actually. Like you can be seeing right here, all of the time whenever it flashed a full moon, well, it has always indicated at least a little bit of a run towards the upside for Bitcoin. Now, whenever we actually flash the sell signal, well, it has always kind of indicated a good moment to sell, right? But yeah, anyways, yesterday this full moon signal once again flashed, so this could be once again indicating that we could be getting another huge leg towards the upside. Now, I do not know how accurate this signal really will be, but at least I am positioned right with a Bitcoin long position. If we were to be seeing this next leg getting initiated towards the upside, well, it would be very good for my position. Now, anyways, at the same time, we can also be having a look into what's this RSI downtrend, and we have been creating these RSI downtrends in the last couple of months all of the time, and whenever we broke above this RSI downtrend, it has always indicated the next leg towards the upside. As you can be seeing over here, whenever we broke above our downtrend, well, we created that huge bump towards the upside. Right now, we are trying to test to be breaking above this RSI downtrend. We are not doing it yet, but yes, if we are going to be breaking above, this could be indicating once again the next leg towards the upside getting initiated, just like the full moon signal, right, that we are getting right now. But anyways, what I want to be saying, and what in my opinion is going to be very important, is that nobody is actually having a look into this, because I can be seeing the viewers actually dropping on my videos. Nobody is really paying attention right now, and this, while we are seeing a very beautiful consolidation right now, and at the same time we are getting many bullish indications because the Bitcoin funding rates are trading very low, and also a lot of liquidity is starting to form on the top side. Now, about this I need to be talking a little bit later, a little bit more, but first of all, if you are watching these videos right now, you are going to be making it because you are probably going to be preparing yourself for that next Bitcoin move, while literally 99% of the people are not doing that right now. They are simply not paying attention. So, well, yeah, congratulations if you are watching right now. You are probably going to be making it. And if you are watching this analysis right now, you're probably going to be positioned right in the market. Now, quickly talking about the Bitcoin liquidity, of course, we have been forming a lot of Bitcoin liquidity right here above us. All of you pretty much already know this, I do think so. But right now in the short term, we are also developing a lot of liquidity above us, above this breakout, above this ascending triangle. So that just gives me even more reasons why I do think that we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside outside of this ascending triangle. So I think that bright days are ahead of ourselves. That's why you want to be prepared right now. So guys, if you are as well going to be getting interested in trading yourself, make sure to check out that link down below, because you can right now be claiming this $2,000 trade over on Bybit. On top of that, you are going to be eligible for a $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to check out that first link down below, sign up right now and claim your free trade. Now, if Bybit is not going to be available in your country, make sure to check out these other links down below. But anyways, yes, I do think that we have already bottomed out right here. I do think that we have already seen our maximum correction of minus 20% for this cycle. So that is going to be a huge reason why I do think that we have already bottomed out right now. We have been talking about this many times. If you have been following me, you of course already knew that this bottom was going to be getting in very close. Now, what is going to be next? I think that we are going to be seeing a huge parabolic run towards the upside getting initiated. Now, once again, this is going to be playing out in the coming few months, not in the coming few days. This is going to be a longer term prediction. But anyways, yes, right now is going to be the time to be in altcoins, because I think that a big altcoin season is about to start anytime soon. Do not fuck this up right now, because literally altcoins are about to go even more exponential than Bitcoin is about to go. So yeah, this goes for altcoins, this goes for Ethereum. Definitely be positioned right in the market right now. But anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.